If you want to change the lock screen time on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, I show you how. So first open Settings app and scroll down a bit and open Display and Brightness and scroll down. Then here you can see Auto Lock. Just click that. In default it will be selected to 30 seconds. Here you need to choose any of these options you want. If you want 2 minutes, 5 minutes. In case if you want to record something on your phone means, you just choose never, or if you transfer file, you can choose this option never. If you choose never, your screen will never goes off until the battery percentage was 0. So I usually choose never because I am taking the video, right? So I always choose never. It's your wish, you can choose any time. So this is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17 and 17 Pro Max, watch this playlist.